We're checking out these 3 strawberry cough sour diesel crosses. I put these outdoor last week. It was beautiful. About 55 for an overnight low. And cold air came down from the Canadian border and it stuck around. And it's gonna stick around for 4 or 5 more days. But these girls seem to be handling it just fine. When I first put them out last week, the wind was blowing probably a steady 15, 20 miles an hour. The low last night was 39. They seem to be taking it no problem. They're gonna be huge. These got too big for indoor. So I put them out here on the picnic table because they get a lot more sunlight than they do in that big garden back there with the lattice tops. But yeah, they're handling it quite well. I put these stakes in because the wind has been consistently 20 miles an hour or so. And they're working great. You can see this got a fat knuckle from getting super cropped early on. She grew up to be a big girl, so did she. These are all the same cut. Look at the structure of these plants, guys. You get 1, 2 branches, big space, 1, 2. Same thing with this one. Same with her. It's supposed to be cold for a few more days.